Uh-oh.
Just starting to pump it.
Oh, baby. Welcome back to Guys with Rides, the only dealer-free community and marketplace for classic car enthusiasts like you and me. If you're not familiar with it, this is project Some Assembly Required, our 1973 Triumph TR6 BarnFind that we picked up just before Labor Day 2025. This is my week 2 update of owning the car. So in this video, I'm going to take you through what we've done over the past week. And if you watch the end of the video, you'll actually see the big surprise in that the engine is working and you can hear it. Stay tuned. Big milestone this week on the Triumph was the fact that Joe and Bobby hooked up a gas jug to this and rather than try to fill up the tank, and they were able to get the car running. And you'll see that at the end of the video. I'm pleased to report that engine sounds good. You'll hear a bit of a rattling sound during that. That's because the clutch slave cylinder was a known bad component. Joe took that out, and so the clutch is kind of chattering in there because there's no pressure in the system. So that part should be at my house as I film this. So we'll get that in next week and hopefully get that going. So probably next week we'll be able to take this around the yard here and find out anything else that's going on with the car and get the parts on order. I'm recording this as I wait for my steam cleaner to warm up because my plan is to clean up the interior of 38 years worth of dust. One thing you'll notice in the prior videos is I was a bit concerned that the entire interior is a black vinyl, but the seats are a caramel color, like a dark tan, if you will. A little research confirmed that is in fact a correct color combination for this year of car. It was optional to get the rest of the car in a matching color, but that double contrast combination was okay. Very cool on that. Bunch of parts ordered. The only thing that came in this week is the under windshield seal, as well as all of the other rubber components that are typically replaced after a repaint. So as we get more into the gingerbread stuff, we'll replace those, but at least we have the parts on hand. So if you watch the end of the video, the engine is running. Behind the car against that wall is nothing but acorn shells and 38 years of God knows what in the exhaust system when they first started it up. So I've got a bunch of parts on order. We're going to upgrade to a modern Pertronics electronic ignition. I got the coil, and you can buy a complete distributor for many cars, but this uses a mechanical tach drive. So they only sell the condenser and points replacement, and we'll wire that in. We made the decision, and I'm going to order it tomorrow, to go with the hush mat throughout the interior. When you look in the interior here, is how Spartan it is. It has to be hot in the summer and cold in the winter. And I use that hush mat material in Project Risky Business, my 85 928 I sold last year. But we're going to do that in here. Moss Motors offers a complete kit. I think it's money well spent, and it's a nice upgrade when we go to sell the car. Interestingly enough, the one of the 50-year-old tires on here, the passenger side rear was not holding air. Joe took it off and discovered that it actually had a tube in it, even though it's a tubeless Michelin. He ended up taking that out, putting a new valve stem. To Joe's credit, the new valve stem and cleaning up the bead negated the need for that tube, whoever decided to put that in years ago. So it's holding. Not that we're going to go tracking with these tires, but it's just nice to have to know that that's fixed and we don't have to worry about that for the foreseeable future. So my steam cleaner is up and running. We'll show you the startup now on the back end of this. We'll keep you posted. Next week, you might even see us running around here with a little bit of luck. Interesting factoid, the last time this was registered in Pennsylvania was in 1980. Since it's going to be a classic with QQ plates here in Jersey, we're going to keep that sticker on. I think it'll be a nice touch, and the guys did a nice job preserving it when they unpacked the windshield from its cocoon. The most interesting thing so far, parts-wise, is the gas cap seems to be an unobtainium part, or at least I will say this, it's a very expensive part to replace. So I'm going to be looking for used ones. We're only 3 weeks away as I do this from Fall Hershey, so I'm thinking I'm going to hold off on ordering that expensive part to see if I can't find something more original at Hershey in October. So that's the latest and greatest on Project Some Assembly Required. At a minimum, please press the like button. If you haven't done so already, I would encourage you to subscribe. It costs you nothing, It helps the YouTube algorithm spread this channel to other enthusiasts to get the word out about what I'm doing with Guys with Rides. And if you haven't done so, I encourage you to check out my main website, guyswithrides.com, or the marketplace, guyswithrides.bid.
Uh-oh. Just starting to pump it.
Oh, baby. All right, let me get the cold start here. Blowing out a lot of moist shit, huh? Wow.
Sounds good, Joe. Hitting on all six. He's hitting on all six, Rudy.
Nice.
See, I got that clutch cylinder off of there, so it's not making noise through the throwout bearing now. Yeah.
Okay.
Because it was the throwout bearing was rattling like hell. See, there's a primer on the bottom here.
Okay.
If you got primer wouldn't even manually prime it.
Wow.
But it's going to need a pump.
You want me to order that? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right. And what?
We may be able to do something with that air cleaner.
I ordered 2 chrome ones. They say SU on them.
Okay, the individual ones.
Yeah. Looks a little sportier with the... No, it's tight. Thanks for watching this video. Please press the like and subscribe button, comment below, and be sure to check out our other videos on this subject, as well as all the great content on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can call me at the number listed below, or be sure to check out our main website, guyswithrides.com.